The U.S. Supreme Court decision upholding Tennessee's law banning access to transgender medical care for minors could pave the way for a similar ban in Florida. Action Jack's state and local government reporter Jake Stofan is live downtown. And Jake, the ruling does not have any automatic impacts.
Yeah, Florida's law remains on hold, at least for now, as it was blocked by a federal court last summer. Still, due to the stark similarities between the Florida and Tennessee laws, it may not be long before Florida's law gets the green light as well.
Florida's law prohibiting medical treatments like puberty blockers, hormones, and surgeries from being used to treat transgender youth has been on hold since last June. Now, with the U.S. Supreme Court determining a similar law in Tennessee passes constitutional muster, Florida's law may have a path forward. Congressman Randy Fine sponsored the ban during his time in the Florida legislature and applauded the recent ruling.
The Supreme Court spoke yesterday, and they said mutilating children in the name of fake transgender science is not okay.
But Quinn Diaz with Equality Florida believes Florida's law is different enough from Tennessee's that there's still hope to keep it off the books.
We do remain hopeful and determined that decision-making in Florida about what types of care a young person can access will be restored to their families and their doctors, the people that care for them and love them.
Florida's law goes further than Tennessee's by also prohibiting insurance companies that receive state funding from covering the treatments for adults. And Diaz notes the court's reason for determining Florida's law discriminated against transgender individuals was also different.
Our law here in Florida was motivated by extreme and malicious anti-transgender discrimination from legislators and the executive branch. Those factors were not considered in the Tennessee case.
Despite Diaz's optimism, there is movement at the federal level to restrict coverage for transgender medical care. Fine notes under President Trump's big, beautiful bill, federal tax dollars could not be used to help pay for gender transition treatments.
If you want to do it as an adult, it's your life. You want to screw it up, be my guest. Just don't ask me or any other taxpayer to pay for it.
Now, Florida is among 26 states across the nation that have moved to restrict gender transition care for minors in some form or fashion. Also on that list is Georgia, but unlike Florida, the Peach State's law is currently in full effect. For local coverage and Count On Live downtown, I'm Jake Stofan, Action News Jacks.
Jake, thank you.